Hi there, it's James here from Ancaster International Boat Sales in Lymington. Just going to be giving you a quick sneak peek tour of the inside of the Beneteau Oceanis Yacht 54. This is currently in stock with Ancaster Boat Sales and available for immediate delivery. She's actually being commissioned as we speak. So we'll just have a bit of a walk around. So immediately on the port side, you've got this stunning galley. It's actually stepped down, so you do get a really good space once you're in there. And great headroom throughout this boat. A few things to note in the galley. Full-size fridge freezer there. This one's specified with the additional freezer. And loads of storage space. Everywhere you look, there is storage space. Drawers there, another drawer above. Just everywhere, and these are all soft close as well. Really good quality finish on this boat. They really have stepped up in their finishes for this lovely boat. Going forward on the port side, you've got this lovely lounge area and chart table forward as well. Room for charts, storage down there. A sideboard in the middle here. And over to starboard, you've got your dinette table, lounge area. Really lovely quality finish, even down to the cushions on the sofa area. Absolutely beautiful. We go and take a walk forward into the master cabin. So you've got an island double berth there. These whopping great hull windows on the side. Hatches above. So when you're laying there in bed, you can look straight out into the ocean. It's a really nice feature. Storage everywhere again, below the berth. Storage cabinet there. Storage over here. Storage all up here. 4 drawers down the bottom there. On the starboard side, we've got the heads. So dedicated heads to the master cabin. And then on the port side, a completely separate shower. Really nice feature. So the owners can block off their entrance, have this all to themselves. Very nice. All this indirect lighting around the top and illuminated all around the bottom there as well. And back in the main saloon here, looking aft, you can see all that indirect lighting everywhere, all around the sides, all around the bottom. Really is a really high quality finish on this boat. Really nice. It's going aft into one of the 2 cabins aft. This is the one on the port side. Nice double berth, plenty of storage there. Again, really big hull windows. Gets lots of light in here. Window up there, opening. Window up there, opening. Very nice. So this boat is a 3 cabin, 2 heads configuration. So you've got the day heads aft here on the starboard side. And a separate shower. So that's blocked off there, so the rest of the shower and heads compartment doesn't get wet. I like the way as well, Beneteau have made a feature of the main companionway steps, all illuminated, lovely stainless steel and leather bound handrails going down. Very nice. So that's it. That's our first sneak peek preview of this Oceanis Yacht 54. Like I said, it's available immediately for delivery. And yeah, give us a call if you're interested. Bye-bye.